What up, y'all? As y'all can see, ain't nothing new, man. We're back in front of the Civic. And this is like cannot catch breaks, guys. You know, this is gonna be part 2 of a video or a clip I recorded for you guys. But that clip's gonna basically catch you guys up. You guys are gonna see it before or right in this. I'm gonna split it. Just more like what's coming. I told you guys that the paint was temporary and stuff like that, so I'm gonna show you guys everything we have got. All right, y'all, what's good? We're back with another one. Told y'all videos were coming soon. Got a couple things in this video for y'all. Some updates on parts we gathered for the Civic. I told you guys paint was temporary, so we're gonna show you what we got. A lot of upgrades are coming to this car, man. So a lot of videos, a lot of content's gonna be coming. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Just let you guys know we're gonna be grinding on this car, and it's gonna be changed again very soon. So we come over here to the EK. Boom. First thing we got, action clutch. This clutch is an eBay one on the coupe right now. It's an XTD. Not the best. When I try power shifting, it does spin already. So, you know, I had to go with the action clutch, Shadow Young Static, for a discount code. But boom, 6-puck, stage 3, sprung. They should be fine for all the power we're gonna need. My car isn't have more power. Right now it's just the B20, but we're gonna have things for that. The old LSV Tech from the CRX. We're taking the head off, put on the B20 block. So that's gonna be B20 VTEC. That's B20 VTEC. You know, all motor shit. The kit, it did come with a couple things. It came with a new pilot bearing, alignment tool, and the throw bearing. And the flywheel is underneath here. So we got the whole kit right there. Shout out Action Clutch. And then we did shout out to the homie Ben. I'm gonna put his shop in the video right now because he did order some parts for me. Energy suspension, boom. Full suspension kit bushings for upper control arms, lower control arms, everything you need in the front of your car. Northwest Car Part, Ben. You can order online. He has an online website, or hit him up on Facebook at Northwest Car Part. Got me the whole kit. When we drop the trans and do all the shit, we're gonna take apart the whole suspension, clean the control arms, paint them, new bushings in. Basically, it's gonna ride like a motherfucking Cadillac when it's done. And then boom, paint. I told you guys when we first painted the coupe white that the spray paint was a temporary thing. I did not plan on keeping it rattle can. If you guys want to know the color, let me see. Is it on here? No, so the paint code isn't on here. But you get a delay on that right there, Jesus. It kind of dried up so it doesn't look metallic-y. Let me get my key real quick to crack it open for you guys. One second, y'all. We're back. This is the paint for the coupe. It's kind of hard to see because how dark it is outside right now. Oh, there you guys. Yes, sir. You guys see, this is the 2000 EM1 OEM blue, electric blue pearl. That will be the color for the coupe, guys. So we're not gonna be spraying it until we get done with the engine, the head, the suspension, just because that needs to come first. I'd rather paint it after everything's put back together, because I don't want stuff getting damaged while you can't take it apart. But yes sir, guys, that is the paint color right there. I really can't wait. Also, while the head is off and the transmission is dropped, we are going to be cleaning up the engine bay. I'm going to try to do a headlight harness tuck and just really clean up some of the wiring. And I might try to spray, get this into a rattle can with 2K clear, and do just an engine bay rattle can so it matches. But yeah guys, that's the color. It is pretty fuego, my guy. Like I said, we're trying to make shit happen. That's just the update for now, guys. I do work a full-time job, so stuff does come as I have the time off. But it's planned to be done probably within the next month or two. Everything. Suspension, transmission, head. But I just got a couple of parts I need to get from one of the parts plugs, and then we'll be Gucci. Don't mind the car, it's dirty. I know the wheels look dirty. Probably gonna wash it later on. It is kind of cold outside, but thanks for tuning in. Let's get you guys next time. We have quite a couple of parts for the Civic, but right now I'm gonna go and throw that in, and then when we come back, we're gonna be fixing this misfire issue. It's misfiring like crazy. It idles fine until I get to give it gas. When I get on it, it breaks up constantly. It's not like a hiccup here and there, it's constant breakup. And I am spilling a lot more fuel, so I'm guessing that the plugs are probably fouled, and it's just all the excess fuel not burning. That's why it's smelling so heavy like that. I did even pick up some NGKs. As you see, I have cylinder number 4 pulled out. That's what it looks like. It's not too bad, but it is old. So I'm just gonna swap them out, and then I'm gonna update you guys on if this misfire stops or not. Alright, y'all, so now I'm in the coupe. See? Don't mind the trash. I just picked that up from Lowe's. Hey, shout out Lowe's, man. $9 on sale for that Chem Guys kit. Deals. But, about to start this thing up and see if it's gone. So I'm gonna get you guys started up real quick. 1 second. That was my bad, y'all. Y'all connected to the Bluetooth so the video stopped recording. But it's cold right now. See? But we're gonna let it warm up. Usually on warm up, when it gets a little warmer, it'll start misfiring about like 1,500. I'll have like a little like a little stutter. So hopefully it's gone, because yeah, it's pretty bad. Kinda can't drive the car with it. But I guess we'll see when the car warms up.